Hello students, today we will discuss about NPE यानी कि नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑफ एजुकेशन 1986 एंड POA प्रोग्राम ऑफ एक्शन यानी 1992. Okay. When the national policy of education was formulated in 1968 for improving the educational scenario in our country, it was envisaged that it would be followed by a 5-yearly review to ascertain the progress and working out of new policies and programs. The National Policy of Education 1986 is the result of the review, which was discussed and adopted during the budget session of 1985 when Rajiv Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. Again, a committee was set up under the chairmanship of Acharya Ramamurthy in May 1990 to review the national policy of education and to make recommendations for its modifications. The committee submitted its report in January 1992, known as National Program of Action of 1992. Objectives of NPE and POA. The main objective of the NPE was to establish a national system of education that implies that all students, irrespective of caste, creed, sex, and religion, have access to education of a comparable quality. Following are the different aspects of the objectives of the policy. First, the elementary education. Universal access and enrollment. Universal retention of children up to 14 years of age. And sustainable improvement in the quality of education to enable all children to achieve essential level of learning. Okay. ये सब एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन है. नेक्स्ट है सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन. सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन में स्ट्रेस ऑन द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ द क्वालिटी ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन. प्रोवाइड कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी टू मैक्सिमम सेकेंडरी लेवल इंस्टीट्यूशंस टू मेक द स्टूडेंट्स इक्विप्ड विद नेसेसरी कंप्यूटर स्किल्स. नेक्स्ट है हायर एजुकेशन. The higher education should provide to the people with an opportunity to reflect on the critical social, economic, cultural, moral, and spiritual issues. The education must play a positive and interventionist role in correcting social and regional imbalance, empower women, and in a securing rightful place for the disadvantaged and the minorities. Governments should make a strong determinations and commitment to provide education for all. The priority area being free and compulsory education covering children with special needs. Eradication of illiteracy, education for women's equality, and special focus on the education of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and minorities. Enhance and promote the vocalizations of education, adult education for the mentally and physically challenged persons, non-formal education, open universities and distance learning, rural university, early childhood care and education. Next, delinking degrees from job. Next, recommendations of NPE and PO 1992. First, early childhood care and education. Integrated Child Development Service, Bal Divas, pre-primary schools of the state government and municipalities, day care centers and training institutes of teachers. And the existing facilities of the primary education should be strengthened and should receive increased attention from the government. The system of monitoring and evaluation should also be strengthened. Next है elementary education, non-formal education and Operation Blackboard. The emphasis is on elementary education as universal enrollment and universal retention of children up to 14 years of age, A sufficient improvement in the quality of education, securing participations of girls and of the children from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe families, other educationally backward sections and minorities. Next है distance education, यानी open university and distance education. Open university and distance education have been designed to promote the accessibility of education at higher stage as well as making higher education as flexible as is required by the learners. The Central Open University, known as Indira Gandhi National Open University, has become assigned the responsibility to coordinate the distance learning system in the country and determine its standards in order to develop and strengthen the Open University system. Next, technical and management education. The technical and management education system should be clustered with references to the interrelated objectives, priorities and program of the key functional areas like development of human resource development spectrum with great potentials for adding values to products and services, for contributing to the national economy and improving quality of life of the people. Next, research and development. Stress laid on research as an essential component of higher education because of its role in creating new knowledge and insights, imparting innovation and dynamism to the educational process. Next, women education. Main strategy to promote women educations are gear the entire education system to plan a positive interventionist role in the empowerment of women, promote women's studies as a part of various courses and encourage the educational institutions to take up active program to further women's development, create dynamic managerial structure to cope with the targets. Next, education of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and backward sections. Opening primary schools in tribal areas, scheduled caste areas and backward areas, accord 10% enrollment of SC/ST children in the age group of 6 to 11 years and ensure their relation in schools leading to satisfactory completion of the primary stage of education or its equivalent through the non-formal stream has now to be achieved by 1990. Various other schemes like providing residential schools, including ashram schools, incentive schemes should be formulated. Anganwadi, non-formal and adult education centers should be open, requirement of teacher from scheduled caste, etc. Next, adult education. Adult education would be a means for reducing economic, social and gender disparities. Through the National Literacy Mission, the whole nation had pledged itself for the eradication of literacy, particularly in the age group of 15-35 years through various means with special emphasis on total literacy campaign. Next, content and process of school curriculum. Access to education of a comparable quality, introduction to the norms of minimum levels of learning, national system of education with common structure, national curriculum framework which contains common core, examination of reform and introduction of evolution to improve teaching and learning, development of culture specific curricular and instructional material for the tribal people, overhauling the system of teacher education, promotion of non-governmental and voluntary efforts and pupils' participations for giving impetus to innovative ideas and practices, and mobilization of resources. Next है management education. The education planning should be linked to manpower planning. These are some of the important initiatives taken up by the Government of India towards democratization of education as reflected in the National Policy of Education 1986 and its modified policy 1992. Next है language development. Proposed implementation of three language formula implement in the linguistic competencies of students at the different stage of education. Provide facilities for the study of English and other foreign language. Development of Hindi as a linked language. Next है cultural development. Emphasis on interlinking education with culture. Last है teacher and their training. Teacher education should emphasize the need for continuing education, also the need for teachers to meet the trust envisaged in the policy. Next, media and educational technology. The educational technology should reach out the most distant areas and to the deprived section of beneficiaries. Next, youth and sports. Integrate sports and physical education in the learning process. Involvement of youth in national and social development, sports and games. Okay. Thank you for watching.